Oh, you're disgusting, man. All right, now eat the rest of the worm.
That touched my lip.
You are crazy.
Is it really full of alcohol?
Yep.
Is it good?
Nope.
He dropped it.
Where'd the worm go?
Jen can answer that question. Oh. Jen, how do you feel about your... Oh. Oh, Whoa. Oh, man.
Okay, I would not have been that much of a trooper about it.
So, lady who's married to this worm eater, how do you feel about all of this?
Kiss me, dear.
Honestly, I still think it was the best choice, but I would not have chewed it up.
Says the birthday girl. Birthday girl, will you comment on this?
I would have chosen
I think
the
the worm
worm,
fucked
but I
me
would have
up.
thrown it down my
Would you
throat.
really?
And swallowed it.
Between those three, I would have chosen the worm, but
I
I
think
would
the worm fucked me up.
I would imagine.
How do
Alright,
you, how do you feel about worms?
I feel as though I just hit another shot.
We have two? Where's the other one?
How about you? How do you feel about worms?
I'm thankful.
Two worms?
I think if this beer gets drunk, we need to put a